With the blessings of Gurudev, Art of Living under Shri Shri Rural Development Program Trust initiated Shri Shri Kaushal Vikas Kendras to set global standards for quality, skill and will development.
SSRDP का एक और माइलस्टोन आ गया है जिसमें हम 3rd फ्लोर का इनॉग्रेशन कर रहे हैं। सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग का है जहाँ पे हम अलग अलग स्किल ट्रेनिंग देते हैं जिससे वो आत्मनिर्भर बन पाए।
We are associated with corporates like Schneider, Bosch, Supertron to name a few under different CSR activities on skills training programs. We provide trainings on mobile repairing and computer skills under Supertron certification. We also provide bridge and artisan training programs under Bosch certification. This is the Advanced Skill Development Center in Energy Management and Automation, developed with the support of Schneider Electric India Foundation. This 15 kilowatt AC microgrid solution is solar powered microgrid which can provide 24/7 uninterrupted electricity to our training center. This is an advanced solar training laboratory in which students are trained on basic solar energy concepts along with more of practical knowledge on solar home system, hybrid solar inverter solution, solar water pumping system and solar rooftop solution for commercial and industrial applications.
The students are also trained on different self-entrepreneurship module which helps them to start their own small solar business. They are also provided with different job opportunities in solar and electrical sectors through some placement activities.
This is the digital classroom equipped with interactive smartboard which helps students to stay updated with latest technology trends in renewable energy sector during their classroom sessions. This is the Home, Building and Industrial Automation Laboratory where students are trained on managing all electrical devices from one place through remote control, resulting in increased energy efficiency.
आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग की तरफ से उनको यूथ लीडरशिप ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम कोर्स में 3 स्तर पे हम लोग उनको अच्छे से ट्रेन कर देते हैं। पहले की शारीरिक लेवल पे ट्रेन कर देते हैं, सेकंड मानसिक लेवल पे उनको स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लेते हैं और थर्ड उनको बौद्धिक लेवल पे भी स्ट्रॉन्ग करते हैं। तो इन सब चीज़ों से उनके अंदर का जो लो कॉन्फिडेंस है वो बढ़ने लगता है। बिजनेस करने का हुनर और जॉब करने की ताकत वो ऑटोमेटिकली अंदर पैदा होने लगती है।
Our first skills training center with Schneider was set up in Tihar Jail in 2013. And since then we have set up around 40 skills training centers and have trained more than 12,000 youths in basic electrician, renewable energy and entrepreneurship development. We are training and rehabilitating prison inmates, making them electricians, and when they come out from their prisons, even giving them toolkits, enabling them to start successful business ventures.
I invite all the youth of these countries to take maximum benefit from these training programs.